Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company RiRiHair. It has been a minute since I've worked with this company, but I'm here to showcase a new style for you guys. But before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn those notifications on so you do not miss out on any of my videos. This unit that I will be showcasing today is their curly 13x6 frontal wig. This one is in the length 22 inches. It's 150% in density. This unit does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and it also comes with bleach knots. And you also have your standard cap construction of 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, ear adjustable strap, and an elastic band. Be pre-styling this on my mannequin head, and I thought I was already recording this, but I guess I wasn't. But I'm just going over those baby hairs, and I'm molding them using my olive oil mousse, and I also added a little bit of Eco Styler gel, and I'll make another video detailing as far as styling on the mannequin head so it's just easier to wear. But right here I'm also grabbing the olive oil mousse and just setting the front of the hairline, and I'm going to be using the mousse throughout the hair. I did have to go back in and wet the hair up some because it did start to dry down quick. I also washed this using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to coat this very well with the mousse, also making sure to kind of open up in those spots where I can't really see. And then I'm going to just run my comb through, making sure to focus on the ends also. And then once I am done putting the product in, I'm going to scrunch up the hair and then let this set overnight on my mannequin head. I'm going to be using this elastic band, and that's just going to help keep this unit in place because this is a medium cap size, but it is a little bit big on my head. I'm also going to have to end up going on the side and cutting off some of that lace by my ear. Yes, I just cut off some of that baby hair. I molded down, but that's okay because I want this to fit me really well. Of course, you can wear this unit glueless, but for today I am going to be using my olive oil fix it whole spray. I'm only going to be focusing on spraying right there in the front, not really focusing on the sides because they're not going to show. Then I'm just going to use my rat tail to kind of push that product in and also make sure the lace is good all the way around. And then I'll be using my blow dryer just to speed up the process. I am done doing that. I'm just going to be taking a little bit more of that mousse and re-going over those hairs that were in the front and moving that lace out the way on the side by my ear. Then I'll be taking my wax stick and putting that over the top of the unit and also around the hairline and using my Hotcomb to press everything out. I did have to go over a few times because even with laying it down with the mousse, there was a good amount of density. It wasn't too much density, but a good amount of density to where I feel like I wanted it to be flatter. Then I'm going to go in with this new powder that I have been using. This is some lace tint powder by the company, I believe, Red Kiss. All of the products that I am using in this video will be found down below in the description area. A little bit of my Sleek and Shine serum, not too much because that mousse definitely helps to give it a sheen, but I still wanted that kind of like wet look, but I wanted to fluff it up a little bit. And then I'm going to swoop over a little bit more hairs. Yes, I feel like it still needed a little bit of something, but I'm not going to do too much because I don't want to take away from the hairline because this hairline looks really good. Done putting my final touches on it, and this is what it looks like. I also forgot to mention that this unit does come with their improved skin color lace. They also have the transparent HD lace on the website, but I feel like this one blends in a little bit better. But guys, make sure you stay tuned after this so you can hear my final thoughts on this unit. Pre-style this unit on my mannequin head. I feel like that is the best way to do it, especially if you already know exactly where you want your part to be and you can already just go ahead and preset your curls and waves. When it comes to my straighter units, I don't mind styling them on my head, but when it comes to my wavy and curly units, I just prefer to do it so I don't have to mess with it when it is time for me to wear it. Waves on this look really nice, especially when I turn around. You can really see the definition of the pattern. I love the way this looks. It's very lightweight and very easy and simple to wear. Now the root area is a bit straighter. You guys seen I put this in the middle part, you know, a little bit to the side, but that's okay because I wasn't going to fix it because I did not want to mess up the curl pattern. it looks natural. That's all that matters. I also did end up cutting over here where I pre-styled those baby hairs. I had to kind of cut into the lace a little bit because the lace was a bit longer and I did not want that to overlap on my ear. I did not spray over here on the side by the lace because it just wasn't needed. I'm rocking this in the middle part. It's not going to show. You can just bobby pin the sides down, especially if you don't plan on utilizing the space over here, and let it go, let it flow. It's still gonna look good. You get a very, very good amount of parting space. The lace, it looks really good. I did have to go in with a little bit of a lighter powder around this area because I tried to put my bronzer, well, what was left on my bronzer brush right around here, and it ended up, you know, doing something weird. But this lace lays down very, very well. Just went back over the hairs with a little bit of my olive oil foam, and that's it. The install was pretty simple because I already pre-styled it. I did use my olive oil fix it whole spray to spray around the lace and get it to lay down. A little bit definitely goes a long way, and the hair is soft. I did get a very little amount of shedding. The ends on this look really good. They don't look super frizzy, which I am happy about. This color on this is a natural color, and I can definitely see it, especially towards the ends of the hair. Overall, I think this is a great lightweight everyday unit. I did just review a wavy closure unit, and I had some people saying it just looked too thick. Well, if you want a lighter option and the knots are already done for you, the hairline is pre-plucked, then you might want to check this one out. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. If you are feeling it, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links down below. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.